पाकिस्तान हमेशा जिंदाबाद रहे।
Present Fundamental Writing and recipient is Zafir Salah Hassan Abbas.
I am Gentleman Cadet Sardar Assam Abbas from 152nd PMA Long Course. Today, I have graduated from the prestigious Royal Military College, Juntroon, Australia as part of the class of May 2026. By the grace of Allah Almighty, prayers of my parents, dedication and guidance of my instructors, I have been awarded with the Royal Military College, Juntroon Prize for most outstanding overall performance amongst foreign military cadets. This achievement reflects the high training standards of Pakistan Army and its recognition on an international stage. I dedicate this honor to my parents and my instructors, and I pray from Allah Almighty to grant me continued wisdom and strength in the future. Pakistan Army, Zindabad, Pakistan, Mindabad.